Okay, all right. So we're doing homework number 44 tonight on Thursday. And we're just going to do 53 now. When you saw 53 and 53 only as homework, you were probably rejoicing. You're like, oh, I can't believe it. This guy has a heart, and he's only going to give me one homework question. But then when you look at it, you're like, oh, no. All right, it's actually a bunch of questions. So, all right, that's me. All right, so now I actually really like these sort of questions with a chart and where you just have to fill in the chart, because one is so comprehensive, like you have to do everything basically, and two is, well, I just like charts and graphs and cells, I mean, surprise surprise if you've seen the grade book. So all right, now let's see, man, what's the best way to do this? All right, I'm just gonna go left to right on the chart. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw this big chart here. These wonderfully straight lines. Look at that. Look at how straight these lines are. All right. So now this is fraction. Look at that. All right. Fractions and what is it? Decimals. Okay, now I'm gonna go as far as I can, and then when I run out of space, I'm just gonna stop talking and close the video. All right, 0.125. Now, remember what I said in class, right? When you have 0.125, how do you write that as a fraction? Right, what's the same? Right, write it like you say it. So how do you say that in English? And I don't mean 0.125. How do you say it? Right, 125,000. And then you reduce, okay? Don't forget to reduce, because the direction says write the fraction in simplest form. Okay, now look at the next one, 0.25. Same thing, write it like you say it. So 25 hundredths. 3/8. Now I hope I did this in class with you, where we did all the most common what do I say? Most common fractions. All right, so this one I'm gonna do with you on the side, okay? So in case you forgot, so 8 doesn't go into 3. So that's 0 times, right? So 3 add a decimal, right? Now you're going beneath that whole number, right? Underneath the whole number. So you're gonna add a 0 to keep the game going. So that's 30. 8 going to 30 3 times. No, twice. No, 3 times. My bad. All right. I'm gonna run out of space, but I know what the answer is, so it's okay. 6, add a 0. 7 is 56. Now this last one's a 4, so it'll be a 40, right? 4, and then add, bring that guy down. So 8 times 5 is 40. So that's 0.375. Okay. Now what else? What else? 1/2. I have a feeling I might be able to finish the whole thing. 1/2 is 0.5. All right, you gotta know it by now. 0.65. Now 0.625. I'm hoping you would remember it from class 2. Okay. I mean, try not to. I mean, the thing is, if you do it long enough, you'll remember what these are. So I think that's 5/8. All right, I'm pretty sure it's 5/8. I know that because 4/8 a half, right? So 5/8 is a little more than 0.5. Okay, 3/4. That's 0.75, right? 3/4, right? 7/8. 7/8 is. Oh man, I can't think of it on top, from the top of my head. Let's see. 3/4.75 is 0.8. Is it 825 or 835? All right, well, a little tired, so let's do this then. All right, 0 times. Now I'm gonna try to do this one a little faster. Okay, decimal, 0, bring it down, 0, 864, 6, add a 0, bring it down. Oh, 875. Yeah, okay, all right. Yep, 875. Okay, all right, okay. Now let's keep going. What now? 1/5. Okay, somehow we went back to 1/5. I'll just keep it here. You know what? I'm actually gonna stop here because those look. Okay, that makes no sense. Do you see the one? Do you see the one here? I see you. Of course you can see the one here. Look at this one. This one right here is blank on the top and bottom, so I'm not exactly sure. Oh, 0.2. Oh, got it. All right. So this top is blank on the top and bottom, which I thought is hilarious because otherwise how am I going to find out? But there's a pattern, right? So 1/5 is 0.2, right? 0.4, that's 4/10, that's 2/3, no, 0.4, that's 2/5. So the next one is 3/5, 0.6, that's why. Okay, all right, that could be a little bit clearer. Okay, wow, that was long. That was a long video, but I'm really hoping it really helped you. So press the like button if you found this helpful. Okay, thanks.
OMG, that was so good.